Changing your legal name on Shipmonk is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly in their system. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the ishrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This area contains all your personal information, including your name. Step 3. Update your legal name. In the account settings, locate the field for your legal name. Enter your new legal name exactly as it appears on your official documents to ensure consistency. Step 4. Submit required documentation. Depending on Shipmonk's policy, you may need to provide legal documentation to support your name change. This could include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Follow the instructions provided to upload these documents. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your new name and any required documentation, check your email for a confirmation message from Shipmonk. This will indicate that your name change request has been processed. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, reach out to customer support for assistance. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated on Shipmonk. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact their support team for help.